Hello, welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we have another website, and we can discuss to another topic. And here is the website. His name is century21.com. Is a real estate website. You can go on your Google Chrome and search his website. Century21 is a find a home, sell your home, find a home, sell a home, mortgage, join, and more. First of all, we can select. You can select on English, and here is the warning. You can search Century 21 on solo things, and I think this language is Spanish. We can click on English and close, and we can refresh this website. Is English? Is the right. Here is the website. You can search, and we can go search for housing, search for a property. You can click, and here is search house, search residential properties by city, state, or zip code. You can scroll down our website. Here is the chat that we can close, and you can select your build area. For example, 1, 2, and lot area. We can select 2, and maximum 4 years of construction, 1 and 5, and such. We have finished, but you can select off that you type. And we have single family home, multi-family home. For example, we can select single family home. You can fill the blank template, and you have show the result. For example, we can sell the house, or sell the house. We have some description. You can see, and you can read the description. And here is the about. You can see here is the team, Century 21 Real Estate LLC, and you can read now. Commitment to community and mortgage. How much old you pay mortgage. Okay, take all factors into account. You can see, and here's the website, and we have chat option. I hope you understand, and you can see the here is the website. Here is the link. Here is the link. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. We can show you some more videos in our latest video. I hope you are enjoying this video, and please share our channel to your Facebook pages, group, and with your friends. Okay guys, goodbye.